How to buy XYRO token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following the updates about this token and go and engage with their community. As you can see, they have a big community there. They have 600,000 followers on their Rex account. So if you scroll down, but before that, if you see their head cover on their Rex account, this token will be listed for trade in January 14, so almost by 1 day from now. Now if you scroll down, so to be able to buy this token, as you can see, if you have an account on gate.io, you can click on this link and you will be redirected to your account on gate.io. So as you can see, you will wait 1 day and 9 hours to be able to trade this token. Now if this token is live for trading and you are logged into your accounts, now what you need to do is just click on buy here, and you have two options: the limit and the market. For the limit, you can here type how much you want to buy of that token, or just drag this to set how much of percentage you want to buy this token. So after that, you will see the total that that's equal to that amount of that that you type here, and after that you will see how much you will pay and click on buy zero. Now after that, if you select the market, you will drag this to set how much a percentage you will buy this token, and after that you go and click on this buy button to buy this token. So this is the only way this is the way to buy it from the gate.io or any exchange platform that you have an account on it, or it's listed on that type of exchange platform. So this is how to buy XYRO token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in this video.